my name's Chris Welham. I'm the Chief Executive of Wadworth. We're a small family business, a regional pub operator and a family brewer. We have 224 pubs operated around the south of England, and we have a number of very key brands that we have for sale, many of which you see here in the market in cask, and also we provide them in bottles and cans. I think from my point of view with Wadworth, we are a fantastic family business that for many years has been very successful. It's got a great history, a great heritage, very strong values and a good culture. The challenge is how we future-proof the business for generations to come. And actually what we've set out with our strategic plan is how we grow the business significantly over the coming years to be able to ensure that that profitability, that dividend, the returns that we'd expect to see are long-lasting. And I think when you're in that space, then you then look at all the various elements of technology and business and management information support that can help you on that journey. We're doing a lot of work around information technology and improving our systems in the business. Building up on our Navision database capability. We're doing a lot of work in pub around social media, digital marketing, and actually the iDraught system in pubs has also become very important to us. We took the decision earlier this year to invest in iDraught and to have that capability in all of our pubs, all of our tenanted businesses, and equally all of our managed businesses as well.
So my name's Petit. I'm an area manager for the managed house division. I look after 16 businesses, and we're just introducing iDraught now into the houses, and we're genuinely really excited by what it will bring, because actually we've looked at it from a slightly different perspective to some, where we actually look at the quality assurance that it can bring. Things like the temperature control, it will give us a second pair of eyes in the cellar virtually, that actually if there's a problem there, we can pick that up very quickly without realising that there's something going wrong. It'll ping us an email to let us know.
Yeah, I think one of the key things about iDraught for me, any business needs data. Management information is key for us to understand where we are now, and if we're going on an improvement journey, which is what we want to do in our business, I need to be very clear on where we start. We sell our own brands in our own pubs, which we dispense ourselves, and I'm very keen to ensure that every pint poured and every dispense action is at its optimum. iDraught is allowing me to do that in our managed pubs as well as it is in our tenanted pubs, to ensure quality, throughput, range clarification, understanding what I'm selling when, and to know that it's coming through at the optimum quality.
Initially, I think there is a scepticism about it being a policing tool. It's all about sort of Big Brother watching, but actually that's not how it's designed, or that's not how I see it adding benefit to my businesses at all. It is like having a technological coach on your shoulder that basically says this is what's happening in your business, this is the throughput, and it's factual. It's not a gut feel or a look back in history that says this went really well or it didn't go really well and what caused it, and then you spend a long time trying to work it out. This actually, from a yield and productivity point of view and temperature control and line cleaning, it's factual real-time information, and that can only be used positively.
iDraught, I think, gives you visibility, it gives you the opportunity to benchmark your progress, and it really enables you to have a clear line of sight on how good your draft dispense actually is, and therefore how you can move it forward. So I would ask the question, why would you not use iDraught? I've used it in previous businesses, and I think in this business it will inevitably help us to grow.